immensely, actually, because I have 2 children, which I have to deliver to school every morning. So that takes me like maybe an hour round trip before I have time for myself to get here, which is 5 minutes away.
It works very well around my family commitments, so I'm close to my daughter's school if I need to get there in case of an emergency. I don't drive, so it's easier for me to transport here as well from Eastbourne.
And I run a business in Hastings, so I wanted something that would work both with running the family and the kids around work, so it was perfect for me.
I can live at home. Any loans that I get, I can actually use on buying equipment to actually better my music instead from just day-to-day costs, which obviously help. I can drive here. It's just like a 10-minute drive, and yeah, it's just very easy.
The fact that I don't need to travel far enables me to have a time and be able to balance my family life with work and time for studying.